You still feel it, don't you? That quiet, gnawing disgust, not coming from the world outside, but from deep inside you. Every morning you wake up thinking, today I'll change. But you slip back into mediocrity. You scroll, you distract yourself, you avoid the real work. And the worst part? You know it's happening. You feel it. Your mind is soft. Your body is weak. And it's nobody's fault but yours. Today, that cycle breaks. Bad habits aren't random behaviors, they're parasites. They feed on your energy, your potential, your future, and they grow stronger every time you chase cheap dopamine. You think you're just taking a break, but you're feeding the monster. Understand this. You don't need to manage your distractions. You need to eradicate them. Delete the apps that waste your life. Block the websites that keep you trapped. Distance yourself from friends who celebrate weakness. If it hurts to cut them off, good. That means they had a hold on you. Now you have a choice. Stay enslaved, or rip the chains apart. Today, pick one parasite and destroy it, with no escape route back. Burn it down. Starve the weakness until it dies. Only then will you have a mind ready to be rebuilt. Now you've cleared space. But remember, an empty mind isn't freedom, it's danger. Nature hates a vacuum. If you don't fill that space with purpose, pain, and pressure, the old parasites will crawl right back in, stronger than before. Forget the productivity hacks. Forget the 5 a.m. club nonsense. You need to go to war with yourself. Flood your mind with tasks you hate. Flood it with work that drains you. Flood it with challenges you're not ready for. Look at the people who intimidate you, the ones you secretly admire. Now challenge yourself to operate at their level. Not to win yet, but to adapt. Comfort is a slow death. Discomfort is the birthplace of transformation. Get comfortable being uncomfortable or stay soft forever. You're stronger now. You've endured the storm, but without rebuilding, you're just chaos in a human body. Pain is raw material. You must forge it into order. Start questioning everything you hear. Filter every piece of information through a ruthless lens. Is this useful? Does this make me sharper? Or is it just noise feeding my ego? Organize what you know. Simplify it. Turn random lessons into battle-tested strategies. When you rebuild your mind like this, you don't just think faster, you think clearer. Every thought becomes a weapon. Every belief gets tested. Every step forward has a purpose. You no longer react to life. You control it. You've trained. You've rebuilt. Now it's time to prove it. If you can't survive conflict, you're not strong, you're fragile. You need to walk straight into the fire. Confront the fears that paralyzed you before. Return to the battlegrounds where you once lost. Face your old enemies and let them feel your new mind. Let them witness the strength they never saw coming. And when you lose, because losses will happen, don't cry. Analyze, learn, adapt. Every defeat is a gift if you reflect deeply enough. And when you win, don't get lazy. Ask yourself, what did I win? Where did they fail? How can I make this victory even more dominant next time? This is how you evolve past human. This is how you become unstoppable. You're not here for improvement. You're not here for progress. You are here to become something undeniable. You're here to build a mind so lethal, so precise, so powerful, that life itself bends in your presence. You're not chasing the top. You're claiming everything. And it all starts now. Not tomorrow. Not someday. Now. Burn the old self. Flood the mind with pressure. Rebuild with clarity. And test yourself until no one, not even your old self, can recognize you. This is your path. Walk it or die trying.